Dear students, welcome to 10th Standard Social Science Online Examination 4. Four choices are given for each incomplete statements or questions. Choose the correct answer. The Portuguese power declined in India with the arrival of English and Dutch, English and Spanish, English and French, Dutch and French. Second one, Lord Wellesley resigned from his post and returned to England because of his inefficiency, his weakness, his battle thirstness, his defeat against the Marathas. Third one, Sanskrit College in Banaras was started by Jonathan Duncan, Warren Hastings, Charles Grant, Macaulay. Fourth one, Dondiya Wagh was born in Savanuru, Shikaripura, Channapatna, Channagiri. Fifth one, Academic Association was started by Rabindranath Tagore, Rajaram Mohan Rai, Henry Louis Vivian Derozio, Dayananda Saraswati. MCQ number 6. She has a special place in the annals of Indian freedom struggle. Rani Lakshmi Bai, Rani Channamma, Annie Besant, Captain Lakshmi. Seventh one, Ganesha, Shivaji and Durga celebrations were organized by radicals, revolutionaries, Indian National Congress, Congress leaders. MCQ number 8. The leader of socialist wing of Congress was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Abul Kalam Azad, Acharya Kripalani, Jayaprakash Narayan. MCQ number 9. The Indian Constitution was adopted on January 26, 1951, January 26, 1950, January 25th, 1952, August 15, 1947. MCQ number 10. DM Nanjundappa committee has given special report on measures to solve the regional imbalance in 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. MCQ number 11. The Prime Ministers who followed the principle of eye for an eye in foreign policy were Lal Bahadur Shastri and Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri and Indira Gandhi, Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Jawaharlal Nehru. MCQ number 12. The Tashkent Agreement that signed between India and Pakistan was supported by USA, USSR, UNO, China. MCQ number 13. The fundamental rights are discussed in the Constitution of India from Article 12 to 30, Article 12 to 35, Article 10 to 35, Article 15 to 30. MCQ number 14. The head office of International Labour Organization ILO is in Paris, New York, Washington DC, Geneva. MCQ number 15. This article says all children under 14 years should be provided with free and compulsory education. Article 44, Article 43, Article 45, Article 46. MCQ number 16. Division of labor creates less skilled workers was said by Aristotle, Plato, Karl Marx, J.S. Mill. The people of Mangalore opposed the Mangalore refineries and petrochemical plant because it threatened the ecological balance, spoiled numerous species in the ecosystem, displaced local tribal people, discharged harmful chemicals into the sea. MCQ number 18. Invisible hunger refers to child abuse, malnutrition, prosperity, the above poverty line. MCQ number 19. The highest peak in India is Mount Godwin Austen, Mount Everest, Mount Kanchenjunga, Mount Nanda Devi. 20. Convectional rain occurs in Kerala is known as Andis, Kala Baisakis, mango showers, coffee blossom. MCQ number 21. The soil formed in tropical areas under the conditions of high temperature and rainfall is desert soils, mountain soils, laterite soils, red soils. MCQ number 22. The state which has the least area under forests is Rajasthan, Goa, Sikkim, Punjab. MCQ number 23. One of the following is the tributary of river Kaveri: Ghataprabha, Bhima, Bhavani, Malaprabha. 24. The major kharif crop of India is rice, wheat, barley, tobacco. MCQ number 25. The construction and maintenance of the super highways is under the control of National Highways Authority of India, the State Public Works Department, Central Public Works Department, Jilla Panchayat. MCQ number 26. Rourkela Steel Plant is in West Bengal, Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. 27. One of the measures for preventing coastal erosion is construction of dams across the rivers, restrict sand mining in coastal areas, avoid the construction of large dams and reservoirs, construction of high-rise buildings. MCQ number 28. When national income is divided by the total population, we get real national income, per capita income, overall income, personal income. 29. An important body of Gram Panchayat is the Gram Sammelan, the Gram Sabha, the Gram Samiti, the Gram Association. MCQ number 30. In this type of account, the deposit amount cannot be withdrawn before the expiry of the term. Term or fixed deposit account, savings bank account, recurring deposit account, current account. MCQ number 31. The other name of the consumer is buyer, provider, distributor, producer. MCQ number 32. The leader of Surapura rebellion was Peddanayaka, Krishnanayaka, Venkatappa Puttabasappa. MCQ number 33. The group of congressmen who criticized the soft stance of moderates are called as Radicals, Revolutionaries, Muslim League, Congress leaders. MCQ number 34. Pune Pact was entered between Mahatma Gandhiji and Motilal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhiji, Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Mahatma Gandhiji. MCQ number 35. One of the major weapons of Gandhiji employed in South Africa was unity of Hindus and Muslims, passive resistance, satyagraha, ahimsa. 36. Sri Guru Ramdas Ji International Airport is in Bhubaneswar, Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Nagpur. 37. A new mode of land transport is roads, pipelines, airways, railways. 38. Providing administrative power and the responsibility of developing the village to people themselves is called centralization, decentralization, division of power, self-administration. MCQ number 39. The term bank is derived from a French word banque, banco, banco, banco. MCQ number 40. A movement called AWARE was started by some women of Mumbai, some women of Kolkata, Indian Association of Consumers, the Planning Commission. Dear students, let's see the answers for all these questions. First one, correct answer is option C, English and French. Second one, correct answer is option C, his battle thirstiness. Third one, correct answer is option A, Jonathan Duncan. Fourth one, correct answer is option D, Channagiri. Fifth one, correct answer is option C, Henry Louis Vivian Derozio. Sixth one, option A, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Seventh one, option A, Radicals. Eighth one, option D, Jayaprakash Narayan. Ninth one, option B, January 26, 1950. 10th one, option B, 2002. 11th one, option C, Lal Bahadur Shastri and Indira Gandhi. MCQ number 12, option B, USSR. MCQ number 13, option B, Article 12 to 35. MCQ number 14, option D, Geneva. MCQ number 15, option C, Article 45. MCQ number 16, option C, Karl Marx. MCQ number 17, option D, discharged harmful chemicals into the sea. MCQ number 18, option B, malnutrition. MCQ number 19, option A, Mount Godwin Austen. MCQ number 20, option C, mango showers. MCQ number 21, option C, laterite soils. MCQ number 22, option B, Goa. MCQ number 23, option C, Bhavani. MCQ number 24, option A, rice. MCQ number 25, option C, Central Public Works Department. MCQ number 26, option B, Odisha. 27, option B, restrict sand mining in coastal areas. 28, option B, per capita income. 29, option B, the Grama Sabha. 30, option A, term or fixed deposit account. 31, option A, buyer. 32, option C, Venkatappa Nayaka. 33, option A, radicals. 34, option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhiji. 35, option C, Satyagraha. MCQ number 36, correct answer is option C, Amritsar. MCQ number 37, option B, pipelines. MCQ number 38, option B, decentralization. MCQ number 39, option A, Bank Q. MCQ number 40, option A, some women of Mumbai. Special congratulations to those who have scored more marks.